My family loves bush green beans, and I always like to get them started early. Right now it's been raining and a little wet, so I was thinking of a way that we can have them started early and start producing and not have a lot of cost in it. This pot right here, as you can kind of see, it has a little ding and a little missing section here. It's been chipped off, but it's still a great pot to be able to use. We can even use a container like an ice cream bucket. We might even use a 5-gallon bucket. Whatever container we have laying around, we can start green beans in. This is about the size of an ice cream bucket. We want to make sure that once they get to this point, they need to be transplanted into something a little bit larger so those roots get to get down a little deeper and they can go ahead and produce their flowers and produce enough harvest for us to collect to be able to use. So this is a bush green bean, as you can kind of see here. I have this one started, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to transplant it into this larger container. This one might be enough if I'm continuing to water it, but now I know I'm going to have plenty of room for these roots to get established and grow. Even if we thought this container wasn't going to be able to be used because of the chip, I'm going to add some more potting soil to it. I'm going to make sure that my roots are down in there in that pot. Now, as you can kind of see, I have new growth going on these bush beans. This gives them a little room to bush out, continue to flower and produce and have multiple harvests. We'll go ahead and water these in really well. What we want to do then is we can have a slow release fertilizer for our container that allows the plants to utilize it throughout the growing season. Osmocote is a slow release. It's a granular fertilizer. What I would do is I would pick the leaves up. I would go ahead and sprinkle it around the root zone and then go ahead and let them down, water it in, and then let it go. And then you should be good for the season in a small container like this. This is an economic way to have some fresh produce brought into your table for your family. If you have any other questions, please visit our YouTube channel or our extension website.